3 things you should do to avoid toxic people. First, set boundaries. Clearly identify and enforce your personal boundaries. Communicate your limits and stick to them, ensuring that you protect your mental health and emotional well-being from negativity. Second, limit contact. Minimize your interactions with toxic individuals. If possible, avoid situations where you have to engage with them. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who uplift you. Third, focus on self-care. Prioritize your own health and happiness. Engage in activities that nurture your mind, body, and spirit. Turn to God for strength and guidance.